me learning antics.
Hey kiddos, it's me, TK, and today we're going to learn our numbers 1 through 10. And I'm so excited, I think that we should play a game, like a scavenger hunt, something. What? Do you see that right there, kiddos? What is... Ooh. Do you want to play? Let's go. It's over here. Number 1, where are you? Here. Nothing. I cannot find number 1 to say. Is that number 1, kiddos? Yes. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Number 1. This box. What's inside this box? Ah, wow! It's a police car! And it's so cool! I've never seen a red police car in my life, but this red police car is so cool. 1 police car. Wow! Let's go find number 2. Where's number 2? Let's see. Oh, this is number 2. My favorite color is purple, but it's not number 2. Where's number 2? Boys and girls, where's number 2? Oh, come here, kiddos. Come here. Look, is that number 2? Is that number 2? How can I get it? Can I get it? Can I? Do you think I can do it? You think I can? I try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. Okay, number 2. That's right. Let's open it. What's inside? What's inside number 2's box? What's inside number 2? Wow! Juice! It's juice! Yummy. That's 2 juice bottles. 2 juice bottles. Should we drink the second one? Let's drink the second one. Yummy. Yummy. Good job. Okay, we're not finished. Where is number 3? Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. No. Where's number 3? Find number 3. Let's see. Oh, come here. Come here, kiddos. I think this is number 3. What do you think? Is this number 3? Yeah! Let's see what's inside. Let's open it. Open it. What's inside? We have to open it. What's inside? We have to open it. What? Oh! Wow! There's 3 balls! Wow! It's getting away from me. Wow! 3 balls. A blue one, a white one, and a yellow one. Ready? 3 balls. Okay? Nice. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Let's see. Number 4. Where's number 4? Come on, kiddos. See if we can find number 4. It's got to be around here somewhere. It's got to be around here somewhere. Shh. Where do we think number 4 is? Where do you think it is? Is this it, boys and girls? Kiddos, is this it? Is this it, kiddos? No. Oh, look. 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 Kiddos, is this number 4? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let's open it down here. Let's open it down here. Wow. Let's open it down here. Wow. Number 4. Number 4. What's inside number 4? Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this. They're animals. 4 very, very cute animals that live in the safari. A giraffe, a lion, a hyena. Wow, look at this guy. 4 animals. Can you count? 1, 2, good. 3 and 4. Very nice. Okay, let's go. Number 5. Where is number 5? Number 5, where are you? Number 5. Number 5. Are you around here? Kiddos, can you see number 5 anywhere? I can't find number 5 anywhere. Number 5. Where is number 5? Hey, it's me, TK. I was looking for you. Can we come up there and open you? Is it okay? Are you sure? Hey, let's go down here. Let's go down here. She won't be okay. Okay? Oh, wow. Okay. Number 5. Shall we open? Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Opening number 5. Opening number 5. Wow. Look at this. Kiddos, look at this. It's 5 stretchy skeletons. 1 black, 2 orange, wow, 3 red, wow, 4 white stretchy skeleton, and the last one green stretchy. So we have 5 stretchy green skeletons. Wow. Where is number 6? Number 6. Kiddos, look. Is this number 6? Is this number 6? Yay! So let's open the box and see what's inside. We're opening. There could be something amazing in here. We're opening. Let's see. Wow! Look at this. There's 6. Huh? Okay. 6 rubber ducks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 rubber ducks. Yay! So, where can box number 7 be? Where is 7? 7! 7! Where is box number 7? Kiddos, is this box number 7? Yes! Yes, it is. Let's open it and see what's inside. Wow. What's inside box number 7? What can be in box? Wow. Look at this. Animal sponges. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's all different kinds of animals in these animal sponges. For example, a pink flamingo. Wow. And a blue elephant. Wow. So many wonderful animals, kiddos. Let's say bye-bye to the animals. Bye-bye. Oh, kiddos, look, right here. Look, and TK's favorite color, purple, is on this box. And it's a Christmas, really fun, decorated box. Wow. Should we open it? I think this is a very special box, kiddos. Let's open it. Let's open it and see what's inside. Wow. What a fun box this is. Wow. What's in there's purple. The purple 8 fell on the floor. That's okay. We'll clean it up later. Wow. What's inside? What's inside? What? Wow. Stickers. They're stickers. Wow. Kiddos, look what I found. 1, 2, wow, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's got to be one more. There's 8 here, I promise you. There's 8. There's 8. But guess what, kiddos? Let's pause our game for a second. This is a special prize. Let me tell you something. For anybody watching this YouTube video today, if you want a pack of these stickers, I'm giving these stickers to any girl and boy who wants one. All you have to do is tell your friends about Do-Re-Mi Learning Antics, and I promise I will give you a package of stickers for you. I will send you a pack of stickers. Just send an email to Do-Re-Mi Learning Antics. Again, if you want one of these amazing stickers, just send us at Do-Re-Mi Learning Antics an email, and I promise I will get you one of these packs of stickers. But remember, you must tell all your friends about Do-Re-Mi Learning Antics right here on YouTube. Tell all your friends, and don't forget, you must subscribe to this channel, okay? And don't forget, there is also a notification bell, so you'll be updated with all of our videos, okay? Do you want one? Please send me email. So, where is box 9? Box 9? No idea. Box 9? Huh? Box 9 is up there? Up the hill? Okay. Let's go, kiddos. You ready? Here we go. Up the hill we climb, climb. Up the hill we climb. Up the hill we stand in line. There is box 9. Let's grab it. Oh, yes. Now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Let's open it. Let's open it. Box number 9. Wow. What can we see in box 9? We don't know. Wow. What are these? What are these, kiddos? You got it. 9 magnets. 9 magnets. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the magical 9. Wow! 9 magnets. Where's box 10? It's our last box, kiddos. Where is box 10? I have no idea. Up the hill again? Okay, kiddos. Here we go. Up the hill we climb, climb, up the hill again. Up the hill we climb, climb, there's box 10. Wow, come on, let's go, let's go. Look, kiddos, it's box 10. And let's open it. It's our last box, and it's probably a lot of amazing things. Whoa, something we can all use. Amazing. They're markers. Markers. 10 colorful markers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 markers. Yay! Okay, kiddos, thank you so much for watching that video today. That was our counting video out of a many counting videos to come. Now, if you really liked what you saw today and if you really enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and push the notification bell to be updated with all of our videos, okay? Also, don't forget, we have 8 packs of stickers going to 8 special kiddos, okay? Remember, send your emails, send me email, and let all your friends and your other friends and your other friends and your friends' friends all know about Do-Re-Mi Learning Antics, okay? See you in the next video. Bye! Do-Re-Mi Learning Antics.